Hi there, I'm David, and today I'm going to walk you through setting up your new Shentel TV streaming device. We're going to take it nice and slow, one step at a time. If you need to pause this video at any point, please do. I'll even remind you when it's a good time to hit pause. Think of this video as I'm right there with you. We'll open the box, look at each cord, plug things in, and then follow the instructions on the TV screen together. Before we plug anything in, let's make sure you have a few things nearby. Your Wi-Fi network name and password, your TV remote, and if you have one, your Gmail or Google account information. Now, if you don't have any of this stuff handy right now, it's okay. Go ahead and hit pause, and then come back and hit play when you have them all ready. A couple important notes before we start. First, do not turn on the device or push any buttons on the device, or especially the remote, until the instructions say to. Turning it on before it's been fully activated may prevent this device from being able to auto-activate. Next, be aware that once you complete the activation step, any current Shentel TV equipment will stop working. You will need to finish installing the Shentel TV device to be able to see your new Shentel TV lineup. All right, let's see what comes in the box. Now this little device, this little box, is the Shentel TV streaming device. This is what brings Shentel TV to your television. This cord is called an HDMI cable, or HDMI cord. It has the same flat shape on both ends, and it carries the picture and sound from the streaming device to your TV. Here is the power cable. The small end goes into the streaming device, and the other end goes into the outlet. And lastly, this is your new Shentel TV remote. Plus, it will also come with 2 AAA batteries in the box. Okay, now we're ready to activate the streaming device. Using your phone or computer internet, open a browser window and visit the website shown here. Or scan this QR code with your mobile device. You can also find this website on the instruction card that came with your self-install kit. To complete the online form, you will need the serial number, which is labeled and can be found on a sticker on the back of your device. You will need your customer number, which can be found on your Shentel bill. You can also find it by logging into your account at Shentel.com. Once you click sign in to this account and you go to your account page, your customer number should be at the top right of that screen. You'll need a phone number we can use to reach you if there is any issue with this activation. Once you've filled in all the details on this form, click the Activate My Equipment button. When the activation is successful, the button will turn green. As a reminder, if you run into trouble at any step, you can reach out to customer support during our business hours by calling 1-800-SHENTEL. Go ahead and pause the video while you work to complete the previous steps. All right, let's start with the HDMI cable. Take one end of your HDMI cable and plug it into the back of the Shentel TV streaming device. And then take the other end and plug it into an open HDMI port on your television. You may see the word HDMI printed next to the port on your TV. This is a great time to hit pause. After you've plugged in the HDMI cord into your device and your TV, come back. Next, take the power cable and plug the small end into the Shentel TV streaming device. And then plug the other end into a wall outlet or power strip. Remember, even though the device is plugged in and lights even may come on, please do not press any buttons on the new remote just yet. Go ahead and hit pause on this video while you plug in the power cable. Come back when it's all ready. Now, turn on your television using your TV remote, and then look for a button on that remote that says Input, Source, or HDMI, or has an icon that looks to be referencing that. Choose the HDMI input where you plugged in the Shentel TV device. If you're not sure which one it is, try each HDMI option slowly until you see the setup screen appear on your TV screen. If you need a minute to find the right HDMI input, pause the video and come back when you're ready. Now we'll get the Shentel TV remote ready. Slide open the back of the remote Put the batteries into the remote, matching the plus and minus signs inside the battery compartment, and slide the cover back on. When the TV asks you to pair the remote, press the TiVo button. That will also be known as the home button. It's the one in the middle that looks like a happy TV. In most cases, the remote should connect automatically. If your TV shows different instructions, just follow what you see on the screen. From here, your TV will guide you through a few simple screens as the system sets up. Follow along and let's go through them together. First, choose your language. Then, if you have an Android phone, not an iPhone, the setup may offer to help you connect faster. If you don't have an Android phone, just choose Skip and perform the next setup steps on the TV instead. Next, connect to the internet. If you are using Wi-Fi, select your home Wi-Fi network and carefully enter your Wi-Fi password using the remote and on-screen keyboard. If you are using an Ethernet cable, the device may connect automatically once that cable is plugged in. Now this step can take a little time, especially entering the Wi-Fi password. Go ahead and hit pause on this video. When you're connected, hit play and we'll continue. The screen may go black while the device downloads an update. Don't worry if this happens. It can take up to 30 minutes. Just leave everything plugged in and let it finish. If your screen goes black for the update, hit pause and come back when that update is complete. Once the update is finished, the device may ask you to sign in with a Google account. This is what lets you download apps from the Google Play Store to use with your Shentel TV box, like Netflix or Hulu. If you have a Gmail address, that is your Google account. If you do not want to sign in right now, you may be able to skip this step and do it later, but some features may be limited. You may also see questions about location, data sharing, voice search, personalization, and emails. Take your time going through these. If you're not sure, it's okay to choose no thanks when that option appears. But to continue, you'll need to accept the required Google terms when prompted. The setup may ask you to name your device. You can choose something simple like living room TV or bedroom TV. You may see Shentel TV terms of service with a few boxes to accept. Go ahead and click accept on those to continue. Then choose the profile on the Who's Watching screen. After that, you should arrive at the Shentel TV home screen. But before we wrap up, let's make sure the new remote is working. Try turning the volume up and down, and then try turning the TV off and back on. If that works, you're in great shape. And that's it. You've set up your Shentel TV streaming device. I know new technology can feel like a lot at first, so if you ever need help, Shentel support is right there for you. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your new Shentel TV.